All right, in this video, we're going to talk about the distinct Rx operator. This is another one of the filter operators, but it has a specific purpose, and what its purpose is its purpose is to filter out. It's to take in a list of objects and then filter out. It'll spit out a list, an observable list, or it'll emit objects that are unique in that list. That was a very bad way to describe what it does. Basically, it's just, I mean, you know what uniqueness is. I don't think I need to explain that in any other way. Yeah, looking at the example I have on the page here, suppose you have a list of task objects, a bunch of tasks getting added. If you add a duplicate, so make dinner and make dinner, you want to filter those because those are the same task. You don't want two of the same task in there. So how can you do that? Let's look at an example. So I'm going to copy that, the dummy tasks list here. I'm going to add that. Oh, whoops, I actually already have that method. So I already have that in there from previous videos. Now let's just do this. Let's create this and do it. So I'm copying that code and I'm going to walk through it with you. So first you create the observable, then use from iterable and create that task list. So if we go to the data source class, like I've showed you before, I'm going to add a duplicate. So now we have a bunch of tasks and we have a duplicate task, the task known as make dinner. So if I look here, that's creating this list of tasks right here. And it's creating an observable using the from iterable operator. I have a comment here that says wrong because this is actually the incorrect way, but I'm going to show you the correct way. So you might be tempted to use the distinct operator like I have here, and then just going new function. It's going to input a task and it's also going to output a task. And then you might be tempted to just do this, return the task, and it should spit out a unique list, but that's actually wrong. What you need to tell it what field in the custom object class to filter on. So in this case, I want to do get description, and that's a string, so I need to change this to a string. So, and that's also going to be to a string. So now what this is going to do is it will filter the tasks list, but it's going to filter it on unique descriptions. So if you look at the data source class, we have two descriptions that are the same. So it's going to filter on the description field and it will find that and eliminate it. So then of course we just subscribe on a background thread, observe on the main thread, subscribe a new observer, and then in the on task or in the on next method right here, it will print all of the tasks and it should omit that, that one that was added twice. So there we have the app running, and we can see that these are all unique. Make dinner is not being printed twice. And just to show you that I wasn't just making that up when I said that, I'm going to change this back and show you. So if I was just to return the task object, not kind of add any logic in here. Now, if I was to run this, you should see the make dinner description printed twice to the log. So there's the app running, and there's the make dinner printing twice, so the distinct operator is not working correctly. And that's actually what I show you in this lecture. It says the incorrect usage of the distinct operator, which is just returning that task. But then if you scroll down, the correct usage of the distinct operator, and you have me filtering on the description. So that's going to be it for this video. Pretty short and sweet, although this is probably going to be a pretty useful operator for you since it filters out a list. And in the next one, we're going to take a look at the take and the take while operators.